Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, March the 23rd, 2021. Yes, we entering the 14th week of lockdown. 14th week in a row. We have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Yes, then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I've mentioned before, I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve. And those 4 are the Sudokus with 3 stars and 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Alright, let's begin with the 3 stars. This will be number 2, 5, 1, 6. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. You can count them. Correct me if I'm wrong. The 3 stars has always 25. The 4 stars, this one, has 24. Okay, I have already counted. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. Well, let me pick. 29. No. 6. Yes, we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. Then. Six. Okay. Here we have a 6. So here should be the 6. 6. Okay. We have here the number 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place for the 8 should be there. 9, 7. Look, in the third row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 9, the 7, and the 1. And look, we have the 9 and the 7 in this column. So no 9 and a 7 in this box. The 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Okay, 9. 9. Okay. Yeah. It should be the 9. Oh, let me see. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So in the first row, we have a 3 in one of those two boxes. In the second row, we have a 3 over there. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be here. Okay. So these 3 should be the 9, the 5, and the 2. 9, 5, 2. 9, 5, 2. Okay, need to wait. Okay. Let me see. 4, 4, 2, 2. Aha, we have a pair. 2 and a 9 in this column, 2 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the 2 and the 9 should be in these two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. All right, 2 and the 9. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 7, and 8. 1, 7, and 8. 7, 1, and 4. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 9, 9, 1. Yes. Okay, let me think and put some numbers because it's taking too long. Yeah, we have in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row. We have a 1 in the last row. So the row between. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2. 5, 5, 5. Yes, we have 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 7, 1 and 7, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the third row, for the numbers 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair should be in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 can, yeah, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 5, 5. 3, 3. Okay. Okay. Let me see. 6, 8, and a 5. 6, 8, and a 5. Okay. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers. Oh, wait. Let me begin with the 6 first. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and an 8 in this column. So no 5 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright, 5 and 8. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Oh, right. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 number left in this second column for the number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the numbers 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 5 and 2. 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here. 2 and a 5. Alright. These 2 numbers in this big square, we have a 2 and a 5, so the other pair should be the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So in the column 3, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be the 5, and this box should be an 8. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be the 7. And this box should be a 9. All right. One number left in this column because we have a pair 2 and a 5. This box should be the number 9. 9 is missing. All right. One box left in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 8 and 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. Is it really a 3 stars? No, I think I will give this a 2 star or 1 star. Because a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So prepare for this one. See you then. Bye bye for now.